Hey guys, it's Vlad, welcome to my channel, enjoy your stay and let me show you a cool mouse with even better price. So today we get to see the Redragon M808 Storm White mouse with cool honeycomb design. This is a large ergonomical mouse with the ultralight aesthetics, but without the actual ultralight benefit, weighing exactly 87 grams, which puts it in the category of a bit heavier gaming mouse. The overall shape is ergonomic and it's meant for right-handed people. Regular 2 buttons on the left side, one of them is covered with dots so you can distinguish them without watching. 3 buttons on top, 2 are DPI settings and the third one for the RGB modes. Both sides have the same dot pattern for better grip, although not rubberized. Wheel is silent and is rubberized for better grip. Of course, honeycomb design all over the mouse, even below. But as I said, it's a bit heavy, so this is just for the design, not for taking the weight off the mouse. Although it would have been cool if there was a weight adjusting system, but at this price point, hardly possible. Not a deal breaker, just simply the way things are done in different price categories. So moving on, we have LED strips on both sides of the mouse with various lighting modes which can be changed with the third button on top and can be also controlled with included software. Cable that it comes with is amazing, super light, super flexible, literally this is the cable everyone should have. It's braided and it spans 1.8 meters long. The dimensions of this mouse are 12.68 centimeters in length, 6.55 centimeters wide and 4.1 centimeter of height. Now being this high, the shape is somewhat quirky. The hump is too tall, making my hand stand on it somehow strange. Maybe I am accustomed to my Logitech G502 too much. And then every other mouse feels strange. But after using it for a while, my hand got used to it, so it's all a matter of adjusting yourself. Left and right clicks are a bit harder than on Logitech, maybe because it's new and again need a bit of time to set in, to be worn a little maybe. The switches are made by Huano. Other buttons are great to the touch, nothing out of the ordinary, all are easily reachable and you can't mistake any of them. There is one button underneath called Mode Switch. This is actually a profile switching button. The M808 packs a PAW3327, a budget sensor with flawless performance. The 3327 has a pretty raw input, no acceleration, jittering or prediction. The sensor can track from 100 to 12,400 dpi with polling rates of 125, 250, 500 and 1000 Hz. Here take a listen how they all sound and I'll tell you a bit about the software it has later. So there you go, you now know what to expect in terms of button clicks, and this is the software it uses. Pretty basic, but it gets the job done, so nothing to complain about here. You can of course remap any button to anything else you want. There is even the macro recording function, so you can use a button to do a specific set of actions and record that as a macro. It's useful for some programs and games. The RGB can be set from software too, and it's also limited to some 7 or 8 presets, so nothing fancy, basic stuff, as RGB is kind of mandatory these days. DPI can be set in 5 steps from 200 and up to 12,400 DPI. This mouse offers a good sensor, great braided cable, buttons feel solid, although a bit heavier on the clicks. It comes with 2-year warranty and it's well built. Plastic is not shiny, it's the good old texturized plastic for a better grip. I can't tell whether it will get shiny over time or not, for now the feeling under my fingers is great. Few negative things I have about this is it's a bit heavier despite having holes in it, but not that heavy, it's in the middle of heavy and light, so it might be great for someone, for others not. Shape with a high bump might be awkward for some people, so for some this might be okay. But the price of only $35 is well justified for the mouse, as it ticks all the necessary checkmarks a mouse should have. You can also pair this mouse with Redragon's Draconic keyboard to create that seamless combo both for productivity and gaming. As usual, thanks goes to Redragon for sponsoring this video, and to you guys for watching till the end, and if you like the content, please subscribe, like and share the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.